Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I'm going to be shooting some of the pistols that I carry more for EDC. My Canik Mete MC9, my Canik Mete SFT, and I've been dailying the TTI Combat. I know, crazy, right? So I have a few magazines loaded, and I'm going to try not to shoot my carry rounds, but I have a target set up at 21 feet. And simple target, there's 9 dots on this target. I want to shoot maybe, so this one has 15 shots. This one has, oh, this one is full. So let's get it down to 15. And let's get this one up to 15. And I'll shoot 5 shots in each of the 3 dots with each pistol. Because I'm limited, 13, there's 14. All right, so we'll TTI Combat, we'll shoot 14. All right, that's 15. All right, so first up, let's do the MC9, which I feel like I might be least, I don't know, shoot the worst. All right, so I'll go right to left. So let's go top right. And we'll cycle them. So let's go TTI Combat. Now, mind you, I only have 14 rounds here. Oh, shoot. Pull that one. We'll pull that one at 4. Now, I'm not in a rush, but I'm kind of rushing because I'm pressed for time. So let's shoot this one again. We got this is the Mete SFT. And not to make excuses, but I definitely pulled that one a little early. All right, so let's go back to the MC9. Again, 5 shots. Boom. All right. All right, TTI Combat. How often do you find brass in your pockets when you get home? I find brass regularly. All right, let's see. SFT. Oh, there we go. All right, another 5. MC9, back at it, bottom row. God. Insert, you suck.
Your boy has no skills.
Oh, is it? Am I out? Nope, one more maybe. How many did I? All right, let's go. Now, all right. I guess I rode the slide. And the last 5 on the SFT. So I totally miscounted there. Oh, you know what it was? I think I put the wrong mag in the pistol. Either way, just a quick 5, on target, 21 feet. 21 feet is pretty much where I shoot at almost all of the time. But I practice more often than not at 21 feet or 7 yards. Not for nothing, just a quick, EDC shoot. And nothing really to add here. So thanks for watching. And if you guys have some ideas or things that I should do in the future, please let me know. And don't be too harsh on my shooting. Wait, how did you like the second angle? I set up a whole nother camera with a whole nother thing. So tell me what you think. Hopefully it worked out. We'll see.